Welcome back. Thank you for staying with us. This is the knockout stage for Amir. Let's see if he can punch his way through. Amir, are you ready?
Keep my hands up, man. Ready?
Perfect. Okay. Your personal favorite, David Hay or Lennox Lewis?
Oh man, that's a hard one. They're both good friends of mine, but David Hay, because he's current, and so I've said David Hay.
Do you get the same respect and the love these two get in Britain?
Man, I get more.
Wow.
You know that I get more love, man. Honestly, I don't know on the street, I get more love than any fighter in Britain.
That's good for you. And best pound-for-pound fighter, Floyd Mayweather or Manny Pacquiao?
Manny Pacquiao, because I've trained with him, so yeah, man, I think
but
Manny
seeing
Pacquiao.
the two boxers technically and in the light of your own experience,
I think if they fight each other, it would be like a 50-50 fight because they're both explosive, they're fast, and you know they bring excitement to the table. But yeah, it'll be a good fight to watch. But even I don't know who's going to win that fight.
So do you think it's happening? Because now there's some legal.
I heard it's not happening. I spoke to Freddie. He said it's not happening. But maybe, you know, with money like 50 million each fighter gets, the fight has to happen.
Will you be at the ringside? Who would you be supporting if you were at the ringside?
I have to support Manny, man. I know both fighters. I know Floyd as well. But I have to support Manny because I train with him.
Now, one more difficult question for you. You're actually from Bolton, so I've heard you're a big Bolton Wanderers supporter. But being part of Greater Manchester, who do you support, Manchester United or Man City?
Oh, Manchester United.
And why is that?
Because I know all the players from Manchester United. I get along with them quite well. Like Rio Ferdinand and Wayne Rooney and Michael Owen and them guys. I know them personally. I was with them about 2 weeks ago at their Christmas party.
Yeah. Were you upset to hear that the match between the two got called off?
Got called off because of the weather.
Yeah.
But maybe, you know, I think they would not be playing football; they'd be fighting.
Yeah.
So good job it got called off.
Perfect.
Now I'll be watching it when it comes on.
Now let's come to your food. Bolton is very popular for food as well. Fish and chips or doner kebabs?
You know what? At one time it used to be doner kebab, but when I heard how they make it, now fish and chips.
There was a big story on BBC, and
I know, so I moved to fish and chips.
Okay, but there's also a story your friends tell me from Bolton that you used to go to your favorite kebab shop and park the car in the middle of the road.
I park anywhere in Bolton, innit? I park anywhere and go get whatever I want to eat, man. They love me in Bolton, man. They love me in England, man.
And the tickets, the car tickets, that's fine?
No, you know what? They don't give me car tickets because they know it's my car, so they're quite okay with me.
Nice.
They're like,
it'll be nice
oh,
to
that's
hang out with you
car.
then.
So I give them an autograph, that's it.
We'll come hang out with you then. And
that's it, come hang out with me, man. I'll show you the places.
Sure. And last question, which I'm sure you get all the time. You're a young lad from England. You've also been following the Pakistani tradition of life. You live with your parents still.
Yeah.
What about marriage? Will it be your mom's choice or your own choice?
No, you know, my family have said to me that, look, if you like a girl or whatever, you tell us. Or I said the same to them. If they like a girl, then they have to tell me. Because, look, I'm a family guy. And, you know, our marriage is a big thing. You need to marry the right person. And especially me, you know, having been big in the sport. And I think if I had to marry someone, they have to understand I'm busy with my career as well. But at the moment, I think I'm too young for that. Maybe, you know, in a few years' time. But just yet, I'm just going to relax and concentrate on my boxing. And I think that'll come. I'll just leave it to, up to now, I'm going to leave it to my family.
Okay, and very lastly, complete this phrase for me. Let's see if you're a true boxing fan. It says, boxing is a sport, everything else. You have to complete the phrase for me. Boxing is a sport, everything else is?
Nothing.
I like that. It's actually boxing is a sport, everything else is a game. It's a very old saying they say about boxing.
Well, it's true. I've heard that one before, but a long time ago. But you got me there.
Oh, good. Thank you very much for speaking to us.
But that's been good speaking to you, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much. And hopefully see you again in Pakistan very soon.
Definitely, man. Definitely.
Well, I have the honor of having with me the parents of the WBA World Light Welterweight Champion, Amir Khan, Mrs. Falak and Mr. Shujat. Thank you very much for joining us. My first question, आमिर जब 2 हफ्ते का था उसको बहुत बड़ा चेस्ट इन्फेक्शन हो गया था आपके उस वक्त क्या what was going through your mind and अब जब वो वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बन चुका है आपको लग रहा था कि आप ये दिन देखेंगे अब
नहीं जब आमिर बीमार हो गया था छोटा था तो उस वक्त कोई चांस नहीं लगता था कि ये अल्लाह पाक इसको नई ज़िंदगी दी है तो अल्लाह का लाख लाख शुक्र है कि अल्लाह पाक ने इसको ज़िंदगी दी है तो इतना बड़ा बन गया है और माशाल्लाह भी ठीक ठाक है बॉक्सिंग कर रहा है तो कभी सोचा नहीं था
And uncle you?
No, you could never dreamed of it, you know. सोच नहीं सकते थे हम मगर you know ये सब कुछ ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है देता भी है और लेता भी है और उस वक्त हम तो we were devastated, he was so ill, he was in intensive care में था उस वक्त एंड माशाल्लाह सभी की दुआ से अभी ठीक ठाक है.
And you were responsible for taking Amir to the boxing club when he was being very naughty at school. So did you actually have a vision in your head that taking him to the boxing club would actually make him a world champion later down in life?
No, not at all. You know, Amir was both hyperactive when he was youngster, full of energy, getting up to mischief. And मैंने देखा एक जिम थी हमारे घर के बाजू में, and so I thought I'll take him to the gym, just wear him out. That's all. यही मगर मैं सोच नहीं सकता था he will achieve what he has achieved up to now, you know. And mashallah, he liked it so much, and he continued going to the gym. And he was asking me, when am I going again? And you know, and from that day on, I was there with him 100%. Every amateur fight जो आमिर की हुई है, I've been there. 110 amateur fights ऐसा कुछ हुआ है उसका था. And सभी fight मेरे पास है वीडियो के ऊपर, क्योंकि मैं रिकॉर्ड करता था वीडियो के ऊपर.
आप खुश थे जब अंकल इनको लेके जा रहे थे बॉक्सिंग क्लब के अंदर, या आपके रिजर्वेशंस थे उस टाइम पे?
उस वक्त खुश थी क्योंकि थका हुआ आता था, सो जाता था और तंग नहीं करता था इतना ज़्यादा. लेकिन अभी बहुत फ़िक्र होती है क्योंकि अभी प्रोफेशनल है, तो ये कहती हूँ कि लगे ना, क्योंकि एक इसकी फ़ाइट आमिर की हार हुई थी ना, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगी नहीं थी, लेकिन ऐसे हुआ था चांस के मतलब उसको लगी है, तो तब से मैं नहीं जाती हूँ देखने के लिए, होटल में ठहरती हूँ.
Now that he's actually the world champion, where do you see him next from here?
अल्लाह करे ऐसे ही जीता रहे, लगे ना इसको, माँ की बस यही दुआ है, और क्या कह सकते हैं.
I'm sure you'll want him to fight even more. My last question to you would be, Amir is kept very close to his traditions and his culture. How difficult was it growing up in not just England, but a city like Bolton where it's very small? It's very far away from, I think, local communities, Pakistani communities. How difficult was it as parents to keep him very close to the family and to his traditions?
You know, I think, you know what it is? I think it's the way you bring the kids up. That's what it is, you know. And mashallah, we brought him up. We think we brought him up well, you know. We taught him everything, our religion. He's been to the mosque. You know, when he was training, training में जाने से स्कूल से आता था, आकर रोज़ की बात है ये, दौड़ने के लिए जाता था, दौड़ कर वापस आता, शावर करके फिर मस्जिद जाता था. एंड मैं मस्जिद से उसको पिकअप करता था और ले जाता था जिम के अंदर. और मगर दिस इज़ हाउ ही वाज, दिस वाज हिज रूटीन. एंड वी थिंक वी डन अ गुड जॉब विद हिम टू गिव हिम the rights and wrongs and tell him about our culture. And still, he loves coming back to Pakistan regularly, you know, and we try to come back as much as we can. And he loves the country as well.
नहीं, इसको अच्छी लगती है बॉक्सिंग करना, क्योंकि खुद पैकिंग करता है, खुद टाइडी अप करता है, अपनी चीज़ें रखता है, संभालता है, लेके जाता है ट्रेनिंग के लिए. कभी मैंने इसको नहीं बोला कि अभी उठो, टाइम हो गया ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाना है, खुद उठ जाता है. ये चीज़ की बात है.
Thank you very much for speaking to us, and I wish both of you the very best. And also, Amir, thank you.
ओके जी, खुदा
Thank you
हाफिज़.
very much.
अल्लाह.
Come on.